Welcome to this Linux tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the fundamentals of Linux. Then we will move through some intermediate to advanced concepts. We'll be looking at the basic commands of Linux, how to deal with directories. Then we work on how to deal with file contents and a lot more. But I will like to assume that you have a VirtualBox installed on your PC so that we'll be able to set up the environment which we'll be using for this tutorial. So if you have not yet downloaded any virtual machine, you can download any virtual machine of your choice. It could be Oracle VirtualBox, it could be VMware, or whatever virtualization technology you are familiar with. You also need to get an image of any Linux distribution. It could be Ubuntu, it could be Debian, it could be Mint, Red Hat, Fedora, CentOS, etc. But in this tutorial, the environment I'm going to set up for our purpose or our tutorial is Mint. Mint is actually based on the Ubuntu platform. The one I have is light, not too heavy, so that the installation can run very fast. So without much ado, I would like to jump into the tutorial. Here I have my VirtualBox already installed. I have some machines already installed in a VirtualBox. I'm going to take you through the installation. To create a new machine, you need to click on New. When you click on New, it will ask you to give the operating system a name. So in my case, I'm using Mint, so I will name it Mint. Then I have another Mint there already, so I'm going to name it Mint 2. I will come here and then select the image where we have the ISO image, to select the image that we are going to use for the installation. I'll click on the drop down and go to Other. So in here I have so I'll browse to where I have my image. My image is this piece, and then I have it on my drive D. I have my Linux Mint here. It's quite small, 1.76 gig. I'll just open it. So we leave everything as it is, but there is an alert here. There is an alert here that I need to deal with. I click on the drop down. VirtualBox has suggested a name, a username for me for this machine. You can change it to anything you want. You can change it to anything of your choice. But I'll go with it. I will then create a password, simple password. I'll repeat the password. There is an issue here in this column. It is not taking, so it is 2. Okay, so Mint 2. Then I will check on the guest additions. I'll check on the hardware. I have 2 gig RAM, and then the hard disk is 25 gig. That's okay. I'll click Finish. Immediately I click on Finish. The installation will start. And then it will run.